Aloha and welcome to another epic adventure. This time we're in Oahu, Hawaii. In this video we do some brutal hikes, snorkel with some sea turtles, they're chill, I promise, scuba dived a World War II plane wreck, and did some cliff jumping on Waimea Bay. So unlike me, grab your sunscreen and enjoy the ride.
The boys are back in town, the boys are back in town, the boys are back in town.
We're climbing that mountain, right?
Right there. Right outside Sam's house.
I don't know. Yeah.
Sam dealing with black arms dealers.
Yeah, pretty much.
Bye Sam, have fun at work.
Welcome to the Pink Pillbox hike, also known as the Puʻu O Hulu Trail, located on the west side of Oahu near the town of Waimea. This hike isn't super long, it's about 1.6 miles round trip. It's a quick climb with a whole lot of uphill. You'll be gaining around 600 feet of elevation pretty fast, so Gabe was complaining pretty quickly. The trail starts off steep and dusty, and about halfway up you'll start seeing the old military pillboxes, relics from World War II. One of them is painted bright pink, originally to raise awareness for breast cancer, and it's become the most iconic spot on the trail. From the top, you'll get a panoramic look of Oahu's west coast, mountains on one side, the ocean stretching out forever on the other. Check out the drone as it caught us at the top of the pillbox. After the Pink Pillbox hike, we grab our gear and head straight for Electric Beach, or as the locals call it, Kahe Point. It's called Electric Beach because there's a power plant nearby that pumps warm water out through two big offshore pipes. Now the name might sound a little shocking, but don't worry, it's totally safe to swim. We jumped in and within minutes we're surrounded by sea turtles just cruising like it's no big deal. The warm water that's coming out of the pipes, it's basically a 5-star resort for the marine life. The best snorkeling is a bit offshore, near those warm water outflow pipes. Just a heads up, it can get deep fast and the current can be strong, so definitely better for confident swimmers.
Nice little snorkel sesh with the boy. Sam's at work, so he wasn't able to join us.
Saw some
some turtles and some fish. Joe almost touched a turtle and would have been thrown in jail.
Yeah. But
we managed not to. We're gonna go get some grub now and get ready to get drunk tonight because Sam's throwing a party.
After a great night celebrating Sam and his team, and maybe one too many rounds of beer darts, Gabe and I somehow managed to drag ourselves out of bed the next morning. The first stop was Pipeline. Even early in the morning, there were some surfers hitting the spot. We posted up on the beach just in time to catch a surfer absolutely sending it. If you can see on the bottom, he rides this wave all the way back to the sand like it's nothing. Called Waimea Bay.
Waimea Bay.
It's where they host the Eddies sometimes. Big surf competition. There's no waves today though.
We're gonna go jump off some rocks. Hopefully we don't die. Joey is a trained lifeguard, so if I drown, he'll have to save me.
Saving lives and breaking hearts. What I'm good at.
That's not accurate.
Cliff jumping at Waimea Bay is a North Shore classic. Climbing up the rock at Waimea is half the adventure. It's a mix of sketchy footholds, awkward scrambles, and hoping your wet feet don't betray you. The rock isn't crazy high, around 25 to 30 feet, so great for kids all ages. Gabe and I get up there and start ripping some gainers. We meet this cliff jumper named Reagan Popoff, who's absolutely sending it off the top rope. After only a few jumps at Waimea, we are starving, so we head down the road to the food trucks across from Sharks Cove. If you've never been, it's basically a little slice of heaven for hungry beach bums like us. Tacos, garlic shrimp, poke bowls, smoothies, marlin, it's all there. Honestly, after a morning of cliff jumping and some questionable decisions from the night before, it tasted like the best meal ever. We posted up at a picnic table and destroyed our meal before heading to the next spot.
We're at our next spot. What's this place called?
China Walls.
China Walls. Pretty cool.
You're good.
We only jumped once. We're leaving now. This is not Gibby friendly. Got a gash there, gash on my elbow. Over here, hold on. That's what we had to climb up, and the tide comes and washes you away. I about got sucked under it, so that wasn't fun. This is definitely not for the amateur. We're going to check out one more spot, I think, and then we're going to call it a day.
After hanging out at the China Walls, we made our way over to check out two legendary cliff jumping spots, the Leap of Faith and the Spitting Cave. We scoped it out, thinking we might send it one more jump before calling it a day, but once we saw the water conditions, yeah, no. The swell was wild, the current was ripping, and the Spitting Cave was literally spitting with full force. We played it smart, took in the view, and lived to jump another day. The next morning, I was up early to do something I'd been looking forward to all trip: scuba diving a World War II airplane wreck off the coast of Oahu. This site is known as the Corsair wreck, a real plane that crashed back in 1948 during a training fight. The pilot survived, but the plane sank and now sits perfectly upright at about 115 feet down on the ocean floor. It's a piece of history covered in coral and surrounded by sea life. We enjoy one last look at the wreck as we make our way back up to the boat. After the intensity of the Corsair dive, the next one was way more chill. A shallow water reef dive just cruising through warm, clear water. While we were exploring, I spotted this turtle just posted up under a rock shelf, completely unbothered. Dude was just vibing and I just wanted to say hi. Overall, a solid scuba sesh. One historic plane wreck, one lazy turtle, and a whole lot of ocean vibes. I linked back up with Sam, Nat, and their trail-loving dog Pretzel, absolute beast, for the next mission, a hike up to Upper Makua Cave. This one's a bit of a hidden gem. It's a short but steep trail that takes you up the side of the mountain above Makua Valley. There's no official signs, no shade, and we got lost a couple times, but the views are next level. At the top, there's a massive cave carved right into the cliffside. Nature just decided to give us a perfect spot to drink a beer. From the inside, you get a panoramic look at the valley and the ocean beyond. It's peaceful, windy, and kind of feels like a secret spot. The kind of spot you would only find with someone like Pretzel. Take a look here at us inside the cave. We drink a beer, enjoy the views, and head back down to get ready to do some night fishing. Pretzel.
Well, I made it on my treacherous journey to get to the two fishermen.
The dolphins jumping around. Yeah, you see them? They're still out there.
Dolphins out. We got anything in the tank, boys? Expert fisherman Gabe lands the first catch of the evening. Start taking notes, boys. Tiny little guy, but you're positive this thing is not poisonous?
I'm 100%.
If I die from this,
Yeah, you're good, dude.
hold this.
You can eat them.
Hold this. Sam has got fish number 2 for the night.
Pliers?
Joey took them there, right there. Pull it up, let's see it.
He's a monster.
Wall mounter. What kind of fish? What kind of fish is that?
I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Feel free to check out my page for other interesting content like this. Special shout out to Sam and Nat. Thanks for letting us stay at your place. And can't wait to see you guys for the next adventure.